Hey everyone, today I'm going to be giving you a quick tour of Piano Marvel and showing you how you can use it to learn, practice, and play piano your way. Piano Marvel is more than just sheet music. Piano Marvel was designed by piano teachers and is used by schools, universities, and enthusiasts all over the world. With over 25,000 songs and exercises combined with powerful learning tools, Piano Marvel is the ultimate piano learning system. Piano Marvel is also available on these devices. Now, let's go take a look at how you're going to learn faster when using Piano Marvel. Piano Marvel has hundreds of features, but right now, I want to show you the three main features that are going to change how you practice piano. These are Learn, Practice, and Play. Learn unleashes one of the best kept piano practice secrets of all time. This is the same technique that's used by piano teachers across the globe. When using it, you'll see that music gets separated into smaller sections that are easier to learn. By learning music like this, you'll be practicing like the pros and learning pieces in much less time. So next is practice. Practice will help you learn notes and note patterns in the most efficient and effective way. Watch as I learn the notes of this song. When I'm playing correctly, you'll notice that the note heads will turn green, and this allows me to keep moving on. However, when I play incorrectly, you'll notice that the red dots show up telling me what I just played. At this point, I'm basically stuck until I can play what I'm supposed to. After you've played through the exercise, you'll notice that you get a notification showing important feedback about your performance. This is going to help guide you through any song that you're learning. Once you're getting an estimated score of around 100%, then you know it's time to play. Unlike practice, play will score you on both note and rhythm accuracy. Using this feedback, you can quickly correct any mistakes before they turn into bad habits. The green notes are going to show you what you've played correctly, and the red notes will show you your mistakes. Best of all, your high score will get saved to help keep track of everything that you've mastered. So now that you have a pretty good grasp on how to use Piano Marvel, I'm going to show you how to navigate it. To do that, we'll first need to go to the dashboard. The dashboard is the first place you go after logging into Piano Marvel. From here, you can easily navigate to the four main music sections of the app, which are Method, Technique, Library, and Sight Reading. Let me quickly walk you through what each of these sections are and why you want to use them. Method and Technique are where you want to go to build and strengthen all of those piano playing skills. The library is where you go to learn from over 25,000 songs and exercises. Hey, but don't worry if you can't find what you're looking for. We even offer the ability to upload your own music. The last section I'd like to talk about is the sight reading section, also known as the Sasser. The Sasser is the only sight reading assessment of its kind and is a great practice tool. As you can see, there's lots for you to explore in Piano Marvel. Whether you're beginning or advanced, we're here to help you along the journey of becoming a better pianist.